Welcome to Ecoville, our fully wind-powered sustainable city. Our goal when designing Ecoville was to create a community that balances modern living with environmental responsibility. Every part of our city, housing, transportation, energy, services, and public spaces, was planned with sustainability in mind. The entire city runs on clean, renewable wind energy generated by strategically placed wind turbines.
Here we go.
To meet population needs while reducing environmental impact, Ecoville provides a mix of residential options including 200 single-family homes sized for families of 2 to 8 people, 100 townhomes designed for families of 1 to 4 people, and 300 apartments with no apartment building containing more than 75 units, which prevents overcrowding and lower energy demand per structure. All homes are energy efficient using LED lighting, have proper insulation, and are connected to our wind-generated power grid.
Our city includes all essential services needed for a functioning community. In every city, services are needed to keep the city moving or to keep it in check. First, we have our hospital. This is completely powered by wind energy. Next, we have our city hall. This is where the local government of our city is located. After that, we have our courthouse. This is where court is taking place. And next, we have our jail. This is where people are held if they have committed crimes and are awaiting future trials. After that, we have our DMV. This is where you can get like your driver's license or take your test or permit. And to support jobs and local economic growth, we have included an industrial area focused on low emission manufacturing. This is all powered by wind energy. Next, we have our office park, which promotes centralized workplace to reduce commuting distances. And after that, we have our community shopping area with locally sourced goods and small businesses. Education is a major priority in Ecoville. So we built an elementary school, middle school, and high school, each powered by renewable wind energy.
To maintain a high quality of life, we designed multiple park areas with natural habitats, walking trails, and open fields for sports.
Is that Spider-Man? No!
These parks help preserve biodiversity and provide space for recreation. Our transportation system is designed to reduce fossil fuel use. It includes electric buses and safe bike lanes and walking paths throughout the city. Together, these options encourage residents to choose cleaner ways of getting around.
The heart of Ecoville is its renewable energy setup. Our wind turbines are placed in open, high wind zones along the edges of the city. They generate enough electricity to power all homes, schools, offices, transportation, and public services. Excess energy is stored in battery systems for low wind days. This allows Ecoville to operate with zero fossil fuels, significantly lowering carbon emissions.
By combining renewable energy, smart housing, efficient transportation, protected natural spaces, and essential city services, Ecoville creates a sustainable environment where residents can thrive without harming the planet.
The history of wind energy goes back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used winds as a source of energy for sailing and powering water pumps. The modern development of wind energy began with James Bliss, who is credited with discovering wind energy's potential for electricity production. He invented the first wind turbine in 1887 which marked the beginning of modern wind power technology.
Wind energy can be converted into multiple forms of energy. The most common conversion is into electrical energy, which we use to power homes and cities. Wind can also indirectly produce heat. The most common way this happens is by generating electricity that then powers electric heating systems. Wind energy can also supply electricity for heat pumps, which are systems that transfer heat from one place to another.
Wind energy is mainly used for generating electricity on large and small scales, but it can also be used for specific mechanical and industrial tasks. However, wind energy is not useful when there is insignificant or inconsistent wind. This is the main limitation that affects how and where wind turbines can be placed. Even with that limitation, wind energy is incredibly versatile. Historically and today, it is used to move objects such as powering sailboats, traditional windmills, and wind turbines themselves.
Wind energy is used to generate electricity for power grids, homes, and businesses. It can also be used for mechanical tasks like pumping water, for agriculture, or providing power to remote telecommunication sites. The way wind energy works is simple. We convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electrical energy. This process makes wind one of the most common sources of renewable electricity today.